Hey GlamDollz, I'm so excited to jumpstart my holiday giftspiration guide by sharing with you all some affordable holiday gift sets by LA Colors Cosmetics. These gift sets are available in your local Dollar General, Family Dollar, or pretty much wherever LA Colors is sold. I also want to take a moment to give a special shout out and thank you to LA Colors Cosmetics for recognizing the love that I have for this company. If you are an official GlamDoll, and when I say official, that means a subscribed GlamDoll, you already know my obsession with this brand and how I feel the quality of their cosmetic line can rival designer brand quality at a fraction of its cost. Enough of me rambling, because I want to jump right on into this package here. So I'm going to untie this bow, which is super cute, and let's get on into it. First thing up right here is some setting spray and a face primer, and these will make great stocking stuffers too, and I'm super excited to give these a try. If you already tried some of these products before in the past, drop a comment down below and share your thoughts about them. So this is the LA Colors Brow to Full eyebrow pencil, serum and powder. Super cute for only $5. I've used the browy pencil before in the past. It worked really well. Super excited to have some more. So next up is the Polish All the Way kit, and what I'm already loving about this kit is that nail dryer right there. That by itself is worth the $10 for me. I see you also getting some nail polishes with this. You're getting some glitter, a little finger tray to help you paint your nails without getting it all over your skin, and you get some nail stickers, and that's not bad to say you're getting all that for only $10. So if you know someone that's into doing nails or whatever, this will make a fantastic little holiday gift to give them. This is what I was dying to get open, is these two black boxes right here. Yes honey, can't wait to see what is in these boxes. You ready? You ready for it? Because I'm ready for it. Ooh, LA Colors came all the way through, honey, all the way through. Let's make some room. Where do I even begin? They have some nails right here for only $2. I'm loving the nude nail design. You're getting 13 in a pack, and you're getting some glue to go along with it. Super cute. I'm loving the turquoise and white mermaid looking color right here. That's not bad to say for $2 you're getting all of this. LA Colors know what they doing, honey. What is this right here? The black and white design. I think I'm gonna wear these next, so I'm gonna put this over here. Let me see. We got some nail files for only $1. These will make great stocking stuffers, you know. Heck with some little lip kits. You're getting 3 pieces for only $2. You're getting 2 lip glosses and a lip pencil. Who else is going to do that for you other than LA Colors Cosmetics? Come on. Look at that. These colors are super cute. Like I said, these will make fantastic little stocking stuffers. Ooh, this is the LA Colors. This is the Glow Now. Oh, the liquid highlighter. Yes, honey. Now, I've also seen these available in your local Dollar Tree, so just keep that in mind. But hello, Glow Now, strobe later. Got the highlighter going. Got some more highlighter. These are a little more nail polishes. You're getting 2 in the pack for only $1. And what I'm also loving about this is it's not a lot of polish. It's like a medium-sized bottle. Truth be told, nail polish, I use it once or twice, and you know, I usually toss it. To say I'm getting 2 for just $1, that would make me very happy. These are some more little sponges right here. Okay, for $2. Got some little sponges going on. Some more sponges. This is in a macaroon design. These are little lip balms. This is strawberry flavored for only just $1. To me, I don't know, kind of looks like a yo-yo, but I get where they're going with it. This is the grape one. Oh, this is what's impressing me already. Okay, this is the LA Colors Instaglam Socialite kit. Okay, for only $5. Everything in this kit right here is going to help you to create a fabulous look. And speaking of look, let's see what's inside of it. OMG, look what all you're getting. You're getting the eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, blush, lipstick, nail polish, and an eye sharpener. Come on now. For only $5? Yeah, this is worth it. Here's another eyeshadow palette, and excuse the glare that you're getting because it's still in its packaging, but look at these colors right here. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look like you got some shimmers and some mattes in there, but look at that. $5. Okay, so you have another kit. This is the highlight, contour, and blush for only $10, and you're getting a blush brush in there. That's not bad. And you have a lip contour kit. Okay, you're getting 2 pieces. You're getting the matte liquid lipstick with the matching pencil. How cool is that? And this is what it's looking like on the back. Again, I apologize for the glare on these packaging. Let's see what's in box number 2. That was all box number 1. I am super excited to see what is in these boxes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh boy, LA Colors is doing it up, honey. Instaglam, the red carpet edition. Okay, like I said, $5 give you everything that you need to create a fabulous look. I've used these before in the past on my channel, so you will be getting looks off these kits from me again. That's that right there. We also have some more lip balms in a diamond shape for only $2. Like I said, these will make great stocking stuffers. Great stocking stuffers. Another lip kit pencil. Not bad for only $3. Okay. We have some eye spatula matte and metallic eyeliners. How cool is that for only $5? Well, we got some more lip. They gave me a lot of lip balms. I'm gonna use these as stocking stuffers. These are not bad for only $2. I like the little panda bear and little cat and stuff. Super, super cute. What are these? Oh, these are some lip paint cubes. Okay, these are little lipsticks right in a convenient little case. How cute is that? Oh, these are super, super cute. Yeah, these are cute. You got one color. You got this color. Okay. And these are only $2. I like the nudes. You know I'm a sucker for nudes, so got that. Another eyeshadow palettes for just $1. These I've also seen in my local Dollar Tree. Just be mindful of that. These are in Dollar Tree. And last but not least, for $5, a nude eyeshadow palette. And like I said, forgive the glare that is on here, but that's not bad. You're getting all these eyeshadows for only $5. So dolls, this is about to conclude the video because everything that I've shown you in this video is available in your local Dollar General. They could be in your Family Dollar or wherever else you see LA Colors Cosmetics is sold. These will make fantastic gift ideas either for yourself or for that makeup enthusiast that's in your life, especially if you want to do some quick little stocking stuffers. I mean, these by itself, the lip balms, will be perfect for you to do. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.